Hey guys, today we'll be installing our IAT Relocation kit. This is the kit from Turner Motorsport, so this is where it goes. So what you're meant to do is connect one side of the connector from here and use the other side to connect to the airbox. So usually in the Turner Motorsport relocation kit, they will ask you to drill a hole underneath the bottom of the airbox, but we're not going to do that today. Today we're going to use our factory sensor. This sensor, focus. This sensor is also on the 7 series, and we'll be reusing our stock hole. We're just going to drill it all the way out and use our sensor instead. So yeah, let's get going. Okay, so what I did was I went, got a drill and drilled a nice hole into there, nice and flush. And when you get the sensor, this one here, slides right there smoothly with no problem. Look at that, listen to that, no problem. And it's not going to slide out because it's got a locking mechanism right here, so it's not going to slide out at all. Wow, this is all. Okay, so just a little recap. This is what I did. I plugged in the new harness to the stock MAF system, and I tucked in the stock MAF plug right there, and I just, because I had extra wire, I just routed all around it, right around here and right over here. Luckily, when I was cutting it, it's a perfectly good seal, so there's no air leaking through. And so just a recap, the reason why I went with this style sensor and not the Turner Motorsport sensor is that because the Turner Motorsport sensor wanted me to cut at the very bottom of my airbox. The problem with cutting on the very bottom of the airbox, you don't get active airflow, which means you get a non-significant reading. It's not an accurate reading. You need to get active airflow because the air is going in here, and you have to have a sensor right here just before it goes in to get the best accurate reading. If you put it at the very bottom, that's passive air going in, so you're only reading the passive air temperature. By reading the active air temperature, you'll get the best reading possible, and because we rerouted over here, we won't get heat soak from the engine being so close to the MAF system. So here it is, it starts, it runs, and it sounds awesome. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.